Hi children, welcome to my channel Excellent Tutorials. Today I am going to teach angle and its various types. What is angle? An angle is a figure made by two rays meeting at a common point. An angle is a figure made by two rays meeting at a common point. This common point is called vertex and two rays are called the arms or sides of an angle. See here, this is the angle, these are the two rays. These two rays are called as arms or sides of an angle. Then this is the common point, common end point of these two rays. This common end point is called as a vertex. This is an angle. Now types of angles. First one, 6 types of angles are there. In that first one, acute angle. Second is right angle. Third is obtuse angle. Fourth is straight angle. Fifth is reflex angle. Sixth is complete angle. Now we'll study one by one. First, acute angle. What is acute angle? Definition. An angle has measures less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. An angle has the measure less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. For example, 62 degree or 60 degree, 50 degree, 40 degree, 89 degree is also acute angle. Next is a right angle. Definition. An angle has a measure equals to 90 degree. Exactly equal to 90 degree is called right angle. See, this is angle ABC is a right angle that has a measurement 90 degree. Now, obtuse angle. Definition. An angle has measurement more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called as a obtuse angle. See this one. X, Y, Z is the angle. This has the measurement of a degree 120, 120, 130, 150, 170, 179 is also obtuse angle. Or 91 degree, more than 90, less than 180, between 90 and 180, all the angles are called as a obtuse angle. Next one is straight angle. Definition. An angle has a measure equals to 180 degree, that is exactly equal to 180 degree. An angle has measure equals to 180 degree is called straight angle. Straight line has the degree 180 degree, that is called as a straight angle. Next one, obtuse angle. See this one, X, Y, Z is the angle. This has the measurement of a degree 120, 120, 130, 150, 170, 179 is also obtuse angle. Or 91 degree, more than 90, less than 180, between 90 and 180, all the angles are called as a obtuse angle. Next one is straight angle. Definition. An angle has a measure equals to 180 degree, that is exactly equal to 180 degree. An angle has measure equals to 180 degree is called straight angle. Straight line has the degree 180 degree, that is called as the straight angle also. Next one is reflex angle. Definition. An angle has a measure more than 180 and less than 360 is called a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Definition. An angle has a measure more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. That angle is called as a reflex angle. Angle has measure more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called as a angle reflex angle. See this one. This angle has the degree 225. This is reflex angle. Next one is complete angle. The last type of angle is a complete angle. Definition. An angle has measure equals to 360 degree is called complete angle. That is exactly equal to 360 degree. See here. This is a circle. Circle has the degree 360. This is called as the complete angle. So children, now you know all the types, 6 types of a triangle. Triangle and its various types. First, definition. Definition of a triangle. A polygon made by three line segment is called a triangle. Triangle is a polygon. It is made by 3 sides or 3 line segment. AB, BC, AC. 3 sides and 3 angles. Triangle has 6 elements. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. These corners are called as a vertex. 3 vertex and 3 sides. Children, now we'll study one by one. First one is equilateral triangle. If a triangle have all 3 sides are equal, then it is called as a equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Equi means equal. Lateral means sides. 3 sides also equal in this triangle. Then it is called as a equilateral triangle. This is the symbol of equal. Second one is isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. Then it is called as a isosceles triangle. If a triangle have 2 sides equal, then it is called as a isosceles triangle. These are the 2 equal sides. Next one is scalene. Scalene triangle. It is a triangle have all 3 sides unequal, then it is called as a scalene triangle. If a triangle have all 3 sides unequal, then it is called as a scalene triangle. See this one. This has the different measurement. This has the different measurement. This has the different measurement. All sides are different. Therefore, it is a scalene triangle. Next, classification of triangles based on angles. In that, first one is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. If a triangle have all 3 angles are acute angles, then it is called as a acute angle triangle. If a triangle have all the 3 angles are acute angles, means less than 90 degree. All the 3 angles are less than 90 degree, then it is called as a acute angle triangle. This is a triangle ABC is a acute angle triangle because all 3 A, B, C, all the 3 angles are acute angles, 90 degree. Second one is a right angle triangle. If a triangle has one angle, right angle, then it is called as a right angle triangle. If a triangle has one angle, right angle, then it is called as a right angle triangle. See this one. In this angle is 90 degree, then it is called as a right angle triangle. Last one is obtuse angle triangle. If a triangle has one angle, obtuse angle, then it is called as a obtuse angle triangle. See this example. This is a triangle ABC. Angle A is 110 degree. Angle B is 40 degree. Angle C is 30 degree. 110 means you already studied about angles. More than 90 degree, less than 180 is called as a obtuse angle. These are B and C, two acute angles, less than 90 degree. In a triangle, any one angle is more than 90, less than 180. That is obtuse angle. Then that triangle is called as a obtuse angle triangle. Children, you practice this type angle and its types of, and triangle its various types of. Practice properly and like my channel and